All right, so on a recent side trip, what we noticed that there was a strong smell of coolant, and looking on the engine compartment in this Subaru, there was all over the place. So what we've done, we've got a UV light bulb in here. We've put UV dye in it, and we're going to cover this up, and hopefully we'll be able to find where the leak is from. Hopefully nothing major, but if it is, then we'll figure out what next. Start up. So we're going to put a tarp over it, and that way we can see the black light. We could have waited till nighttime, but we're patently impatient, so we're going to go ahead and do it this way. Here's a quick shot of what it looks like. No leaks yet, but it does have an interesting color to it. In case you're wondering, we actually use these lights, have great magnets on the back of them to hold the tarp up. All right, so we've got the engine running. We want to let it get up to operating temperature. We'll shut it off and we'll check for leaks. Right now I'm using the V-Peak ODB2, and if you can see that here, you can see the engine temperature is right about where I would expect it to be. So we're going to go ahead and shut it off and check to see if something spurts out anywhere with the dye. So hopefully we'll find a leak. All right, so 190 was the magic temperature. It popped open the thermostat. We can feel hot water running over the top hose. And now hopefully we'll check for leaks. If we don't see it while it's running, because it's circulating, so right now it's mixing up the dye into whatever's left into the system, which we did top it off with water. Can you get it?
Yeah.
All right, so it looks like we found the source. And it's a little hard to pinpoint with the scope here, but the housing for this hose appears to be cracked.
It has a pinhole.
So it's probably a little bit hard to see, but there's two hoses right in the center of the screen going to a fixture, a plastic fixture, and what we were able to see earlier is that that plastic fixture itself appears to be cracked or broken. It's got a pinhole and there's fluid squirting out of it. So next steps are going to be getting this fixed and then redoing this test, and hopefully that's as bad as it gets. We'll find out. All right, so that was it. Now there's a couple of things we need to do to fix that. There's a fixture that's broken, obviously. Need to replace that. The AC compressor on this car it's rattling its butt off, and it really sounds like it's getting ready to go. That fixture's right underneath the AC compressor, so what we're probably going to do is replace the compressor, replace the fixture, all in one. But at least using the dye, we were able to identify where the leak came from. And the one thing I should mention is that if you're going to use dye, they have different dyes, and they're for different purposes. There's dye that works in oil and gasoline. There's dyes that are specific to AC compressors. So make sure you're using the right dye. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful to you. If it has, hit share and like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.